I have here is the original Samsung Galaxy S. This is the original, and this is not a fake because I remember when I was little, my parents bought this and they were super excited, and they got this from the official AT&T store. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a teardown on this. I have two of them actually because they both have the same phones. And yeah, first I'll kind of show you like the specs and like what it looks like. So basically on the top, 3.5mm headphone jack. This thing covers up the charging port right here. And yeah, it goes back, it's a bit sticky. Then this thing right here, it pops up like that. And this, as you can see, it's metal. It sounds like metal. It is metal. So that metal thing's right there. Speakers right here, as you can see. There's the speaker holes. This is actually really nice weighted metal. 1500 milliamp hour battery, and yeah, that's basically the specs on that. So this is what it's gonna look like. So basically, set this 613 right now. It still actually works decently good. Like, there's a little lag, but not too much in it. 5 megapixel camera. This is basically good compared to a lower end phone today, so like the zoom's really nice on it. It records at like 720p, 30 FPS. It's actually pretty decent, and I liked it. And there's no front facing camera, so you just have to do this. And yeah, that's basically all I have to say for that. So let's get right into what I have to do to see the depth of this interior part. Move the back plate by popping this off and exposing the battery here. The next thing I'm going to do is power off the phone before I take the battery out. And Galaxy S battery here. Like that. And just like normal, I need normal battery today. And it has 3 pins that connect to the battery here. So basically what I'm gonna have to do right now is take out these 4 screws right here, and I hope that'll get me to some circuitry and I can show you guys what's really going on in this phone. Information, there are a couple models of the Galaxy S. I think there's about 3 or 4, and you can read this. That's my model number right there. Yeah, that's basically it. 3.7 volt battery. So I removed the 4 screws here, so I'm gonna expose some circuitry. After I took everything off, it turns out you have to take this sliding thing off from these sliders right here, and there's gonna be another 2 screws here and here. Take those out. Then this whole front thing will come apart like that. And yeah, this is basically what's inside of it. All of this right here. And I think that's the RAM, might be. That's a speaker. You can check out my other video on what's inside a smartphone speaker. And there's a wire running all the way down to here. And yeah, there's basically a microphone down here. Right there. And yeah, that's probably why that wire's there. Now I'll try to get in more depth. And sorry for not telling you, but the camera also came off with the frame. So this is actually what it looks like with the camera on. Right there. And then if you want to take the camera off, basically all you do, just bring the camera out like, well, first pop this out right there, pull this tab up, and there's the camera. So yeah, that's basically that. So let's see if I can pry this out on video. If not, I'll stop the video and edit this part out. Oh, looks like I'm getting somewhere actually. So I just stuck my screwdriver in there. Looks like progress actually. Oh, there's a couple screws I have to remove, so I'll be right back. I got the the speaker to come out, and you know that little slider door for the USB? Well, oops, I dropped it. Let me grab it quickly. So here it is. It's just a piece of plastic that slides, and basically for the speaker connection, it's going to be connected to the motherboard through this one cable right here. Let me try to get it out. Basically like that. It's not really connected. It's a ribbon cable that has to be tied on. If you've been in a computer, you'll see similar things to this. Basically, this goes into this right here, goes into it, then there's some clamp that clamps it down, and the copper connections make it together and it works. So basically this is it, and this is for the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which just comes out like that. Sorry, I'm making guesses kind of on this phone because it's my first time opening one of these. And then, yeah, there's this LCD thing. You remove that first. And there you go. You have the circuit board. After that, just maybe pull this out right here. Yeah, pull that connector out. And here is the motherboard. I guess you can order these online. This is actually pretty neat. This is underneath it, and that's the charger. This is similar to the LG Phoenix 3, kind of. You can see my video on that. Basically, I tear that phone apart too, except in a more violent way, and I basically pry the plastic off because I didn't have the right screwdriver for that. And yeah, now I have the right flathead screwdriver. So yeah, this is basically it. This is all the components for the LCD screen, which is here. Right there. Yeah, when I was prying it off, I kind of cracked it there, as you can see. But it's not very visible, actually. But you can't really feel it with your fingernail either, rubbing across it. I think Samsung does a good job with that. If the screen cracks, you can't see it too easily. So basically these were touchscreen buttons too, right here, 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 and here. And the vibrator vibrated every time you did that. So this is basically the headphone jack. Yes. So basically that's that. I say that's about it for this phone teardown. I'll see you guys next time with another video. What this means is it's probably downloading something. I think I messed up the phone, but anyways, I have another one, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next time.